Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thank you for joining me, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 Setting Powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place the Rebel Grays eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that dark gray shade and put that in my crease, and I'm going to take the other shade and put that all over my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. Now I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue in the Ioni Wispy Full Dramatic Eyelashes. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For my primer, I'm using the Touch and Sol No Pore Blem Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. Now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Setting Powder in Peach to set where I had that orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425 Warm Olive. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze my face. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For blush, I'm using Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush. This is the Volume 4 palette. And I'm going to take that top shade and use that. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and the NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. To set my face, I'm using Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this silver eye look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell. And you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks or any other suggestions, please let me know so that I can do them. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. And I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.